Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How Do I Layer Lighting for Function and Ambience in the Kitchen? All right, folks, gather around the kitchen island. No, not for snacks, but for some enlightening talk about getting your kitchen illumination just right. Lighting, my friends, is the unsung hero in the culinary concert, ensuring your kitchen is not only functional, but as inviting as a hug from your favorite aunt. First, let's talk task lighting. This is your spotlight operator, ensuring every julienne and chiffonade is executed with precision. Think under cabinet lights that shine directly onto your countertop, making recipe reading and onion chopping a breeze without casting a chef-sized shadow. LED strips are a modern wizardry, sly and chic, heaping down focused beams as steady as your grandma's hand for late-night cookie snatches. Next up is ambient lighting. Consider it the background score to your culinary epic, setting the mood, lifting spirits, and casting a warm, welcoming glow. This can be achieved with strategically placed recessed fixtures. Even better, a central pendant light over the dining table or breakfast nook. You can dial up or dim down as needed, saying goodbye to the kitchen looking like a sterile lab and hello to the cozy heart of the home. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up! Now, let's sprinkle in some accent lighting. All about showcasing your kitchen's personality, adding layers with spotlights over artwork, or an illuminated cabinet, spotlighting those heirloom dinnerware pieces. It's the flourish to your space's statement. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Ensure that you trust all electrical work with a pro who knows their watts from their volts. Nothing stylish about a kitchen fire, my friends. Last but not least, timers and dimmers are your new BFFs. They seamlessly transition your space from brunch prep to romantic dinner with just a twist or a tap on your trusty smartphone. Effortless, elegant, and environmentally kinder too, keeping energy consumption in check, saving that dough for more important things like artisanal cheeses. Layered correctly, lighting not only completes your kitchen's look, but it transforms functionality, making every task smoother and every meal feel a tad more special. So switch things up for more than one very good reason and see your kitchen glow like never before. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all!